Well, friends, I was gonna try to swap my camera around, but I couldn't. So I'm getting ready to schedule some posts on my Facebook class. I already have a few scheduled because I wanted to show you some things. I know that it would have been helpful for me to see how this was happening a couple of times. A couple important notes. Your event needs to be public if you want to be able to schedule posts. I can guarantee you, you want to schedule posts, even if it feels terrifying, to have your event public. So here's what's going to happen. I've done a couple. I'm going to show you how it works. First of all, this page on the Dwell Well Hangout, you're looking for this post from Kylie, Essential Oils Facebook event. Look at Madison commenting on my, that's kind of fun. Anyways, thanks Maddie. So this is on our Dwell Well Hangout, and you need to follow one of these links, and that will get you here, right? And then you need to right click, save images if you're on a computer. I think scheduling events on a computer is quite a bit easier. If you haven't gone through this, it's gorgeous, it's amazing. The Michaels ladies obviously did a great job. So then you're going to go through, you're going to save all the pictures, copy, and then paste. I use Google Docs. I also know that I have a very distinct voice when I write to people, so I went through and I changed everything so that it would represent me well, and they wouldn't feel like I was just copying and pasting things. So now I have that in this document. So then, I guess let me go back there. So I've already copied and pasted a couple. I'm going to take this information. I could have given myself an easier one, but that's okay. So this is scheduling, you guys. You want to schedule your posts. It's so excuse me, beneficial. So I'm going to come back and take care of this later. I'm going to add some spaces and some emojis, but I really just wanted to show you how this works. So this is What Do They Do, which I believe was post 3. You can double check that here if you're not sure. I had already kind of done 1 and 2. Well, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, post 3 is this one. So I have it pulled up over here, right? Copy pasted. I'm going to come back and add emojis and add spaces to it because it doesn't copy paste well. But here's where the magic happens, you guys. There's this drop down arrow. Schedule post. My event is on the 5th. Okay. My last post, they in the intro they say that it's like every 4 minutes, so that was nice of them. You don't even have to think. So my last post that I had scheduled was at 7:14. So I'm going to do 7:18 on this. Oops, I'm not getting my 1 and 8 in there. And I'm going to click schedule. Then it goes and it's in this little category. So now this is what you also are going to want to know. Sorry, I was leaning down. This is, okay, so this is your top of your screen. You scroll down, you're in the About section, you are the creator of this event, so you have access to scheduled posts, okay? Go to see them. I have a couple of blog posts still scheduled, okay? And just at different times. That's something that Sarah Harnish had kind of recommended. I haven't seen a ton happen from it yet, but that's okay. So now I can come back and I can look and I can see I have tomorrow is the day. I've got my picture, I've got my post. And then I intentionally made this mistake for you guys. So I did this one, and then I forgot to add the picture to like my personal story one. So this little arrow right here is going to give you the edit post option. And then I'm going to go down to the camera, right? And this is this is my story post. So I think that is the first one. I'm just going to make sure. Yep, that says my story. So I'm going to save it. And again, I'm going to come back through and add some emojis and some better space so that it just flows a little bit better. So yeah, and so then you can come back here. So if you're not sure, so that one I scheduled for 7:10, then 7:14, 7:18. But if I'm like, oh shoot, that's not what I wanted, you can reschedule right there. So you can change your time if you need to. I don't want to redo that, so I'm going to say, never mind, cancel. So they will just be in the order of what's coming up soonest. So you can come back to this page, okay, and remember this comes from you're on your event. And you just scroll down, and there's this little box that says 8 scheduled posts. See your posts. Go see them. You're going to want to do this on a computer. I think it's a not enjoyable experience on your phone. And then you can just go through and edit things and make changes that you need to. So that is how I've been navigating it. I know, like, the first time I was trying to figure it out, my biggest mistake was not making it public. Make it public, and then start scheduling posts. You guys, like, do this. My event's 1 week from today. I'm going to have them all scheduled by hopefully tonight, but if not, like, it's just such a great little window. So then on the night of the party, I can also be in my pajamas and I don't have to worry about anything. So hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully I shared everything I was hoping to share. If not, ask some questions, and cheers. Good luck with your parties. It's a good time, guys. All right. Good night.